sky blue color, white color, dark green color, light pink color, black color, yellow color. Exactly, the next one is, yes, brown color. Now we open the color of silver color. The next one is blue color, dark pink color. Kids, the next one is light green color, purple color, orange color. The last one is red color. First we are using the color of silver, writing the alphabet of exactly A. The next one is B. Stay with us. C, D, E, F, G. Now we're using the color of blue color exactly. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now we're using the color of dark pink color. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Now we're using the color of light pink color exactly. V, W, X, Y, Z. V with purple color, geranium color, light violet color, deep olive green color, cool gray color, black color, lavender color, emerald green color, yellow color, raw silk color, Persian blue color, mint blue color, deep olive green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, mint blue color, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, black color, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, light violet color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay with us. Raw silk color, Persian blue color, vivid purple color, deep olive green color, emerald green color, cool gray color, black color, yellow color, geranium color, mint blue color, lavender color, light violet color. First we're using the color of lavender, writing the alphabet of A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, geranium color, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, cool gray color, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z.
Purple color, brown color, green color, yellow color, blue color, orange color, pink color, light green color, red color, black color, sky blue color, and light green color. So kids, now you draw alphabets. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, T for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. It's now you draw J. J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, and N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen. So kids, now you draw R. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van, W for wheel, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.